The Suzuki M109R is one of the most aggressive cruisers ever built. Pure muscle on two wheels. But with its outdated design, poor fuel economy, and limited audience, its value is dropping fast. Riders love its power, but buyers? Not so much anymore. The classic Sportster used to be Harley's heart and soul. But newer models like the Sportster S have made the old versions feel outdated. High emissions, rough ride quality, and heavy weight make it hard to sell. Once an icon, now it's just old metal with a fading badge. The Triumph Rocket 3, a monster of a machine. It's got insane torque, incredible looks, and unmatched power. But the problem? It's too much bike for most people. Dealers can't move them, maintenance is pricey, and demand is fading fast. A masterpiece, but sadly, a resale nightmare. The Bonneville bobber is pure art on wheels, elegant, minimal, and soulful. Yet in 2026, it's expected to lose serious value. Why? Because riders are leaning toward more practical modern classics like the T120 or Speed Twin. The bobber looks timeless, but its market is shrinking. The BMW R18 had everything to challenge Harley, a massive boxer engine, premium chrome, and pure road presence. But it's heavy, intimidating, and overpriced for what most riders want. Many R18s sit unsold, and depreciation is hitting hard. It's becoming a collector's regret, not a cruiser icon. The Nightster was supposed to bring new life to Harley's lineup. Sadly, it hasn't clicked. Riders find it underpowered, awkwardly styled, and expensive for its performance. By 2026, it'll likely be another forgotten experiment, a Harley that never found its soul. The Indian Chief is gorgeous, muscular, and American to the core. But its high price tag and limited comfort options have kept many buyers away. As new Indian models evolve, the Chief's resale value is dropping faster than expected. It's simply too niche to hold strong in the used market. Now this one hurts. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a great bike, but the market's flooded with used ones. Because it's so beginner-friendly, many riders trade it quickly for bigger bikes. Supply is high, demand is low, which means resale prices are sliding fast, even for clean examples. The Street 500 was Harley's entry-level cruiser meant to attract new riders. But poor build quality and cheap components destroyed its reputation. Harley even discontinued it, and the used market reflects that. In 2026, Street 500s will be practically worthless, a cautionary tale for budget buyers. The Indian Scout bobber has always looked stunning, but beauty isn't enough to hold value. Its stiff suspension and limited comfort make it a tough daily ride. With so many better midsize cruisers now available, the Scout bobber's resale value is on the way down.